Okay, so picture this. You're at the airport, you're excited, you're ready to travel, and then someone asks you a question in English and you just freeze. Your brain stops working. Has that ever happened to you? Yeah? Well, today we're going to fix that forever. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you, thank you. And today we are talking about something super important, English at the airport.
Yes, because airports can be scary, right? Everyone is rushing, there are announcements, there are signs, and you need to speak English.
Exactly, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you will feel confident. You will know exactly what to say, and you will sound like a natural English speaker at the airport.
So get comfortable, maybe grab a pen and paper, and let's learn together.
All right, Lily, let's start with a question. Why is English at the airport so important?
Oh, that's easy, because English is the international language of travel. If you go to Japan, France, Brazil, anywhere, people at the airport usually speak English.
Exactly. The staff, the announcements, the signs, everything is in English. So if you know airport English, you can travel anywhere in the world.
And that's freedom, right? You can explore, you can feel confident, you don't need to worry.
Yes, so today we will teach you the most common phrases, the questions you will hear, and the answers you need to give.
And we'll practice together. So don't just listen, repeat with us. Say the phrases out loud. That's how you learn.
Perfect. Let's start at the very beginning. You arrive at the airport. What's the first thing you do?
You go to check in. This is where you give your bag and get your boarding pass.
Right, and the staff will ask you some questions. Let's practice the most common ones. Ready?
Ready. Okay, imagine I'm the check in staff. Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Perfect. So the question is, can I see your passport, please? And you say, yes, here you go.
Easy, right? Let's try it. Repeat after me. Yes, here you go.
Great. Now the next question. Are you checking any bags today?
Ooh, this one is important. Checking bags means giving your big suitcase to the airline. It goes under the plane.
Exactly. So if you have a big bag, you say, yes, I have one bag. If you only have a small bag, you say, no, just carry on.
Carry-on means a small bag you take on the plane with you.
Right. Okay, let's practice. Repeat. Yes, I have one bag.
And now, no, just carry on.
Awesome. Now, here's another common question. Did you pack your bags yourself?
This question sounds funny, right? Like, who else would pack your bags?
I know, but it's a security question. They want to make sure nobody gave you something dangerous.
Exactly. So you always say, yes, I packed them myself.
Let's say it together. Yes, I packed them myself.
Perfect. And one more question. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Ooh, good one. A window seat is next to the window. You can see outside.
And an aisle seat is next to the aisle. That's the walking space. You can get up easily.
So which do you prefer, Lily?
I love the window seat. I like to look at the clouds.
Me too. Okay, so you can say window seat, please, or aisle seat, please,
Say it with us. Window seat, please.
and aisle seat, please.
Amazing. So now you know how to check in. You gave your passport, you checked your bag, you chose your seat. What's next?
Next is security. This is where they check your bags and your body.
Yes, and they will give you instructions. Let's learn the most common ones.
First, they will say, please remove your shoes, belt, and jacket.
Remove means take off. So you take off your shoes, your belt, and your jacket.
And you put them in a tray. A tray is a plastic box.
Right. They might also say, please take out your laptop and liquids.
Liquids means things like water, shampoo, or lotion. You need to take them out of your bag.
Exactly. So repeat after me. Remove your shoes.
Take out your laptop.
Great. Now, after security, you go to immigration. This is where they check your passport again.
And they will ask you questions. Let's practice. Imagine I'm the immigration officer. What is the purpose of your visit?
Ooh, purpose of your visit means why are you traveling? Are you a tourist? Are you visiting family? Are you working?
Exactly. So you can say, I'm here for tourism, or I'm visiting family, or I'm here for business.
Let's try it. I'm here for tourism.
I'm visiting family.
Perfect. Another question. How long are you staying?
This means how many days or weeks will you be in the country?
So you can say, I'm staying for 1 week or I'm staying for 10 days.
Say it with me. I'm staying for 1 week.
Awesome. And the last question, where are you staying?
This means what hotel or what address. You can say, I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel, or I'm staying with friends.
Easy, right? Let's practice. I'm staying at the Hilton Hotel.
Great job. Now you can pass through immigration with confidence.
Okay, quick question. Have you ever been nervous at the airport? Like really nervous?
Oh, I think everyone has.
Right? And here's the thing. Most people get nervous because they don't know what to expect. But now you do. You know the questions, you know the answers.
Exactly. And we're not done yet. There's one more super important part. Can you guess what it is?
Boarding the plane?
Yes, boarding the plane. Let's learn that right now.
So, boarding means getting on the plane, and you need to listen for announcements.
Right. The announcement will say something like, now boarding flight 237 to London.
Now, boarding means it's time to get on the plane, and they will say your flight number and destination.
So, you need to know your flight number. Check your boarding pass.
Exactly. And they might say, we're now boarding rows 20 to 30.
This means only people sitting in rows 20 to 30 can board now. You need to wait for your row.
Right, so listen carefully, don't rush.
Okay, now you're on the plane. The flight attendant will greet you. They might say, welcome aboard. Can I see your boarding pass?
Welcome aboard means welcome to the plane. And you just show your boarding pass and say, here you go.
Easy. Now you find your seat, and the flight attendant will come around. They will ask, would you like something to drink?
Ooh, yes. So you can say, water, please, or orange juice, please, or coffee, please.
Let's practice. Water, please.
Coffee, please.
Perfect. Now, sometimes you might need help. Maybe you can't find your seat, or you need a blanket.
Yes, so you can say, excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
Or, excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?
Let's try it. Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?
Great. See, it's all about being polite and clear. If you say excuse me and please, people will always help you.
Exactly. And one more thing. When you land, the announcement will say, we have now landed in Paris. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off.
Remain seated means stay in your seat. Don't stand up yet.
Right. Wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off. Then you can stand up and get your bag.
And that's it. You did it. You traveled by plane in English.
Okay, now let's do a quick role play. This will help you practice everything we learned.
Yes, I love this part. Okay, Max, you be the traveler, I'll be the check-in staff.
Perfect. Let's go.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one bag.
Great. Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself.
Perfect. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Wonderful. Here is your boarding pass. Have a great flight.
Thank you.
See, easy, right?
So easy. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Pause the video, practice with a friend, or practice in front of the mirror.
Yes, say the phrases out loud. That's the best way to remember them.
And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. Don't be afraid. Just try.
All right, let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
We learned how to check in. Remember these phrases. Yes, here you go. I have one bag. Yes, I packed them myself.
We learned how to go through security and immigration. Remember, I'm here for tourism. I'm staying for 1 week. I'm staying at a hotel.
We learned how to board the plane, listen for now boarding, and say, here you go, when you show your boarding pass.
And we learned how to ask for help. Say, excuse me, can you help me? And can I have a blanket, please?
These are the most important phrases. If you remember these, you will be fine at any airport.
And the key is to be polite. Always say please and thank you. People love that.
Yes, good manners are the same in every language.
You know what, Lily? I'm so proud of our listeners today.
Me too. Learning a new language is not easy, but you are here. You're trying, and that is amazing.
Exactly. And remember, every time you practice, you get better, even if it's just one phrase a day.
Yes, so keep going. Don't give up. You are doing great.
And we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments which phrase will you use the next time you travel.
Yes, write it down. Share it with us. We read every comment.
And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us.
And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
Speaking of our next lesson, do you want to know what we're teaching next?
Oh, yes, tell them.
Next time, we're going to teach you English at a restaurant, how to order food, how to ask questions, how to pay the bill, everything.
That's going to be so good, you don't want to miss it.
So hit that subscribe button right now.
All right, friends, thank you so much for listening. We love you.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.